lead crisis is only growing worse at MPS. 3 more schools are shutting down Monday, and the health department says tonight it's very likely that more will close. 2
federal agencies are now joining the investigation. Stephanie Quirk has the latest tonight.
We're very nervous with what we've seen, and we also saw more unsafe lead practices, so that led us at Fernwood to, you need to shut down to do this right.
Just as students at Trowbridge Elementary returned to school Friday, 3 more MPS schools are now shutting down.
We saw a lot of chipping paint. We saw lots of layers of dust.
MHD says it discovered lead dangers in Starm's Early Childhood Center, Lafayette School, and Fernwood Montessori. Just 3 out of 10 more schools it's inspecting for lead this week.
These buildings, a lot of them have not been maintained.
Tyler Weber with the Milwaukee Health Department says the lead issues at MPS aren't going away.
We're very nervous with the more schools we go into.
So much so, the CDC and the EPA are now joining the investigation.
Daily conversations as we try and get a grasp on what the scale and scope.
Weber says no students at the 3 schools closing tested for high blood levels, but they won't know for certain until Saturday's testing clinic at Bradley Tech.
Given the exposure, sadly I would not be surprised, but it depends on who comes in and gets tested.
The health department must investigate all MPS buildings that were built before 1978. That's when lead paint was banned. 85 across the district are in that category.
We are very strained for resources. This is partially where we're trying to find out what staff can we get from other agencies.
Stephanie Quirk, FOX 6 News.
The free lead testing clinic at Bradley Tech is tomorrow afternoon. MHD is urging students from the 7 schools with lead dangers to come out. We'll have more specific details in this story on the Fox Local mobile app.